Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This is a video about copying a shadow effect so they all be equal. We're going to grab this oval right here. It's the same color and our letters are separated. They're just three objects. But we're going to grab this. We're going to go to the shadow tool, not the drop shadow tool, but the shadow tool. And we're just going to put a little shadow to it. Now, you can see there's a lot of things you can do. You can change the intensity, make it darker, lighter, or just a little bit of a shadow up here. But when you get this dialed in right, and then you can go feathering, and you can actually have it feather out where it's not quite so pronounced. I actually like the other one better. Now, you want all these letters or these objects to look like that. Well, if you will click on your letter, go up to Object and Copy Effect and Copy Shadow. Then it's going to give you that little arrow and go down to your shadow. And look what it did. It did the exact same shadow. There's very little on the left, a lot on the right. I don't think we can try attribute eyedropper effect, but it's not going to work. So click on your unshadowed item, Object, Copy Effect, Shadow, and go down here and you got to click on your shadow. See, I missed it. There it goes. So all the shadows are the same. Now somebody's going to probably say, well, you could do all three letters at the same time. I just used letters just as objects. We're going to have them all the same. Object, Copy Effect, Shadow, and go down here and you can almost see it jump and get that shadow. So now all your shadows are identical on each letter. There's nothing on, or very little on this side and a lot on the bottom left. And it doesn't matter, what you do to the letter, where you put it, you're going to have those shadows. And you can always go up to, well, let's move this over here. You could grab that C and go up to Object and actually break the shadow apart, because if you wanted to, you could move the shadow now wherever you wanted to on it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.